Hello guys, and this is gonna be my first Lego build, and today we're gonna do something pretty simple. I'm gonna make a Lego helicopter. So here's the piece you need: a car rim, a car plate. Then you need 4 1x6. Then take tile and time. Then you need a 2x4 cylinder, the small hole. Then take another one with a big hole. You can use any color you want. And then we just take 2x4 paper, the circle. And this will be our motor for our helicopter. And lastly, we need an 8x4 plate. You can do any color you want. So, take car piece and take the 4x8 piece and put it like this. Once you do it, it's just something like this. And then you take your 2x4 cylinder with the big hole, put it right here. And then out the rim. And then you take this piece, put it right here. Then you take another one, put it right here. And put it nice and neatly. Then you take your 1x6. Like this. And you take your flat tile, put it right here. I can find the tile. You can use this wherever you want. And then you put it right here. And that's it, that's your basic helicopter. So that's a wrap on this video. If you want to see more Legos, check the description down below. Turn the bell, turn my notification on. And I'll see you guys next time.